It's the Christmas time. It is a time when Santa comes to give us gifts. Santa comes on its sleigh. But do you know who pulls the sleigh? It's the reindeer. So today I am going to show you how to make a headgear which looks just like a reindeer. So let's get started. So children, see, I have taken some paper cutouts that are orange in color, pink, white, red and black in color. I have also taken ribbons and some glue. Okay, so see what I do. I have taken an orange color strip and a face cutout of orange color. I am going to stick this in the center of this strip using some glue. I will apply some glue using a paintbrush and stick this on the center. See, like this. Now, as we know, reindeer has got 2 ears. So, we are going to stick its ears. I have taken orange color cutout and going to apply some glue. Like this. And stick it one this side and the other on the other side. Again I am taking some glue and sticking on the other side. See, like this. Okay. Now I am taking the pink paper cutout to make the inner side of the ear. Again I will take some Fevicol or glue and stick it like this. Same for the other ear. Like this we are going to make it, okay? Now, as we know, reindeer has got 2 horns. So, I have taken orange paper cutouts to make the horns. I will apply some glue and stick the horn from the back in the center. One over here and same we will do with the other horn. See, isn't it looking so nice? So let us continue to complete it. Now I have taken black cutouts to make its eyes. I'll stick one here and I'll take one more to make the other eye. I'm again applying some glue at the back to stick it. Now, the reindeer has got a nose. So, I'm taking a white paper and a red nose cutout. First, I'll stick the white paper cutout. Again, I'm applying some glue and sticking in the center of the face. And on the top of it, I'll take the red cutout and stick it on top of it. See, like this. Now, I'm taking pink paper cutouts and sticking on both the sides. See, it is done. But how will we wear it? We need to tie this either with a ribbon or over here I'm just stapling it with the help of a stapler. See, our headgear, which looks just like the reindeer, is ready. I hope you all enjoy watching this. Do make this at your home. Thank you.